I'm Andrew Aziz, the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. There are two simple but clearly defined strategies that I use in my day trading. I grew my trading account to 8-figure recently. What really took me here is having a consistent routine that I can rinse and repeat every morning at the New York session open. There's nothing to gatekeep here. Most people already know that my best trading strategy is the opening range breakout. Another strategy that I use to scalp momentum stocks is called the 920 strategy. Let's learn directly from my live trades and see how I executed my entries, exits, and risk management. Give this video a free like if you appreciate transparency and realistic trading tips.
All right, guys, today I want to talk about the two important strategies that I trade for day trading, and in this market it was really amazing. And just a quick recap on that. I had one big loss on one of the options that I sold, and I'll go over that and see what we can learn. And these two are the most important strategies that I've been trading for over 10 years now, and I really don't think that a lot of people need a lot of strategies. Just a couple of really strategy that works really well. It's enough for you to make consistent money. So the first strategy is opening range breakout on AMD, and the second one is a 920 on Nvidia. And I want to walk you through those trades step by step. I did have a big loss on Microsoft. That it was options that I sold, but I rolled it over to the next week. So as you see, it's $86,000 loss here, but there's a $30,000 gain on for the next week expiry of the Microsoft puts at 400. So these are cash secured puts that I sold at 400. So let's see what's going to happen if Microsoft stays above 400. I'm going to make that $90,000 back. But let's go through these two trades. This is the one that I really want you to look into it and go over it. So AMD market, as you know, was after the earning was really bad, dropped, and today market was very strong. Dow Jones actually made a new all-time high. So it seems that we're back. At the open, it was very strong. One tool that is very important for day traders for scalping is Market Atlas. So the Market Atlas shows the levels and the liquidity where it is compared to the price action. Right now, as you see here, this is the bid and ask, and the levels is ups and downs. Right now the market is in the post market, so you don't see a lot of liquidity, but when it's open, this one shows a very clear direction of where you can expect the price is going. So AMD Market Atlas was very bullish. There was a lot of liquidity, pools were standing on the top of the price, and that was really confident trade that if the price gets to above VWAP, you can actually take it to the opening range breakout. We have a lot of information in this YouTube and also in our education center on how to trade based on Market Atlas, which is the most important tool that you guys should have for day trading and scalping if you want to trade 5 to 10 minutes range type of thing. So let's go through that. Yeah, so this is the 1 minute. So again, opened very strong. I went long. I added one here, one time here, one time here, and one time here. So from 198 all the way up to 204. Again, the Market Atlas was very bullish at 204. It went all the way up to 209, 206. But I just got out of it at the after I added a couple of times. The last add was very big, and I got stopped out at the break even. So it turned out to be a very nice, profitable 26,000 something. So it was a big position. So as you see here, it's a very nice 5-minute opening range breakout, and that turned out to be also a 5-minute opening range breakout that continued, went higher, came back to the VWAP, but continued going higher. But I got a really nice move on that. So if you would really want to take a look at it, so it would be a very nice 1-minute opening range breakout. So this is the opening range breakout. This is one of the most important strategies. Very simple. We have a lot of research on it. We do it every single day. There's another strategy that is a reversal. So this is a trend momentum. When you go long in there. There's another one that is a counter trend or reversal strategy. That is called 920. It doesn't happen very often, but when it does, you can actually make really nice profit out of that. Again, it doesn't happen very often. Rarely, maybe once a week, you can find something a really nice 920. And today, that happened on Nvidia. The idea here is that you find a stock that is very strong, that it goes up. So again, you find a stock that goes up, and then when it bounces back to the 20 moving average, you buy for the reversal to go back up. Essentially you buy on a pullback. But this strategy works on a 2-minute time frame. I traded Nvidia at the open for a 1-minute opening range breakout, but I got out too early because I had a big position on AMD. I didn't want to have two positions. But Nvidia here, I saw that Nvidia is really running up, and it's shameful that I'm not really in in there. So what we noticed here was that, again, it could potentially be a 920. Again, a very strong move up, pull back to the moving average. Again, the 920 strategy is on 2-minute candlestick. Brian Pezzin developed this strategy. So this is a 20 moving average, this is a 9 moving average. You buy at the 20 moving average, you put a stop loss below that, and then you go up toward 9 and the high of the day, and then continue going higher, as you see I did here. So we have a lot of strategies on here. So this is your risk, and as you see here, this is your reward. So 920 strategy is a very important strategy. It doesn't happen very often. You have to find the stock that is very strong, move up, moves back on a 2-minute chart, usually between 10 to 10:30, and then you take the long position based on that. And as you see here, it actually continued going higher, but I got out the last of my position at 183.50 because I made all of my profit. But it could potentially hold it all the way up to the close. These two strategies are very important. Again, these strategies we started since 2013-14, and they're still working because it's based on the fundamental of the price action. I really hope you guys don't complicate your trading. You don't need a lot of indicators. You don't need to constantly change it. It's very important for you guys to really pay attention to very simple strategy, but excellent trade management and risk management. So get out of it when it's needed, and add when it's demanded. Again, the $26,000 profit and $7,000 profit on Nvidia was really nice. Again, ignore this one, is $86,000, because this is going to be replaced by the next week trade that I have on Microsoft. So essentially, so let me explain that one as you. It was not a great trade. I got kind of stuck on that. So Microsoft, let me see what Microsoft did here. So Microsoft was really selling off after the earning. There is this trade that you can actually find this bottom at 405 and sell puts on the cash secure put, and hoping that by in the next day bounce back. So I sold the puts here for 405, but I really didn't see this 5% drop day that happened yesterday. So I really got stopped out here, but I kind of did really heavy loss, because it's just, again, when you're selling puts, you're insurance broker, so you can have a very serious loss. But now I moved my trade to 400. So if by the end of next week it goes above 400, I'm gonna make that money back by the cash secure puts. Softwares are under pressure because they say the AI can replace softwares. Again, that's really questionable how easy that can be done. But again, Microsoft really didn't have a good time. It's been really selling off in the last this year. All 2025 hasn't been really doing much. It's very one of the biggest companies in the world. The tool that we really need to pay attention is the market atlas. Market atlas is very important to find you these liquidity pools, and making decisions based on that. Again, this is the post market. Market is closed, and you see these liquidity pools help you really. We have a lot of recaps, a lot of education, a lot of videos, a lot of webinars on how to use market atlas for these short-term scalps intraday. And I hope you guys watch it. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure that guys leave a comment or like the video, subscribe to our channel, and join us live every single morning in the chat room or in YouTube. Thank you guys.